A new word for today is agenda. If you're in a meeting and there is a list of points that are going to be discussed in that meeting, this is called the agenda. The pronunciation is agenda. Hi, our phrasal verb for today is call off. Call off has the same meaning as to cancel. For example, a meeting can be called off because there are other priorities that have to be attended to first. So therefore it means the meeting has been cancelled. We will call off the meeting. Let's talk about the difference between next and last. Many of my students make mistakes with this. Next is talking about in the future, whereas last is talking about in the past. So the difference between next week is in the future and last week it happened in the past. Here's a good one for you. When a plane leaves the ground, when you are going to fly to another country, the phrasal verb you are looking for is to take off. That movement, when the plane is going up, is to take off. That's a good phrasal verb for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up to date with all the new words and phrasal verbs and grammar that I will be teaching. Thank you.